In this video, we will discuss about the physical significance of electric field. In the previous topics, we studied about Coulomb's law. That Coulomb's law tells us about force. By knowing the force between the charge, we can study the behavior of the charges. Now, then why we study electric field? To discuss it more, let us take two examples. In the first example, this is your charge and another one charge Q is placed at point P at a distance of r. Then according to Coulomb's law, force is directly proportional to the product of charges capital Q small q divided by the distance between them. So this is a force between these two charges. This formula does not tell us about what is the strength of this charge or what is the strength of this particular charge, as here the force is the product of charges. If any one of the charge have lesser magnitude, then the force between them will also be less. So Coulomb's law does not, or the force in the Coulomb's law does not tell us the strength of a particular charge or system of charges. To understand it, I have a second example. In this example, again the charge is placed at this point and P is a point where I want to know the strength of this charge. Now the strength of this charge is given by, or we know that electric field is given by Q by R square. Q is the magnitude of charge and R is a distance. So here, to know the strength of this charge at this point, I need to have only the magnitude of charge and what is its distance from the charge. So the electric field tells us about the strength of a charge. Or further, if we want to calculate the force at this point, when I place any one of charge Q at this point, we can calculate it by simple way. The force on this charge Q at point P will be equal to the charge, whatever the charge you place here, multiplied by the electric field at that point because of this charge. So if we know the electric field, we can able to also find out the force without disturbing the charge or system of charges. So we can say that the electric field tells us about a force experienced by a charge. The force experienced by a charge without disturbing the system of charges by just multiplying a charge with the value of E, that is electric field at that point. Further, the electric field is a characterization of a system of charges and independent of test charge. A charge Q is placed at this point, then what is its behavior around this charge? What is the behavior of this charge around itself? So that is given by electric field without at this point. This charge however may be small, it has certain its own strength, may interact with the discharge and may diminish its effect at this point. So to avoid it, we calculate the electric field. So electric field is basically electric field is a characteristics of system of charges and independent of the test charge that we will place at a point to find it. So this is your physical significance of electric field. Moreover, the concept of electric field is more clearer, or true nature will be understood after the electrostatic when we study about the electromagnetic wave equations. Thank you.